Hey, good morning, friends. Yes, so invest in your Airbnb. And I don't know if you guys remember my beach walk talks, a couple beach walk thoughts a couple weeks ago. I was talking about DIY or hire it out. Well, we're DIYing right now, right behind us, and I'll give you a little tour, tell you what we're doing. So stay tuned. Out with the old, in with the new. So this is what we got going. We laid this in, my wife actually did it, and unfortunately the shower floor was collapsing. She used a foam pan on the bottom and the pan was collapsing. So anyway, we had to tear it out. So we tore it out, and now what we're doing is we're gonna lay in some Deetra mat. We're not gonna do tile, we're actually gonna float it off with some concrete all the way around. It's gonna go all the way up to the top of the tile here, all the way around. And after that, we're gonna lay an epoxy down over the top of it to seal it off. And then we're gonna put some like shark teeth and some shells and stuff from the Florida beaches here. So that's the plan. So that's the first coat I just put down. So I laid some concrete down for the base. This is a sand topper type concrete, so it's made for doing this kind of stuff. Has much less rock in it and stuff like that, so it's much easier to lay. My buddy John told me about that. So anyway, so now I'm going to start actually laying down the concrete and floating off the floor, because we got to have a slope with the level here. You want the slope to be right about, right about there. Okay, as you put the level in there. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good show. You guys have a great day.